Alright, so let's jump in. I'm going to start with foundation. I'm using the Amazonian Clay Foundation by Tarte in the color Medium Tan Honey. And I'm just going to pounce that into the skin with a beauty sponge. And since I do have a spray tan on right now, I'm going to go in with this Tarte finishing powder in the color Medium and put some on my neck. Now I'm going to prime my lips with this Murad Skin lip treatment. Now I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm using two different shades. I'm going to be using light medium and then light sand. The light medium is a little bit darker, and then I just go in with light sand on top just to brighten it up a little bit. And now I'm going to set the under eyes and the T-zone with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. And I had some Shania Twain going that day when I was filming this, so just dance with me if you want to. Now I'm going to blend everything with the stippling brush so everything kind of meshes together. Now I'm going to go back in with the finishing powder, and I'm going to use this to kind of contour and bronze my skin at the same time, because I do have self tanner on, so I need to kind of warm up the face so it matches. So I'm just going to contour and then just buff out the excess on the rest of my face. And to deepen that up a little bit, I'm going to use MAC's Give Me Sun Bronzer and apply that over the Tarte finishing powder. Now I'm going to move on to eyes, and I'm using the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette. And I'm taking the colors Toffee and Maple, and I'm applying them to the crease with a pencil brush, and then I'm just going to blend them together with a large fluffy brush. And I'm going to keep the eyes really, really simple, since we are going to do like the fun, bold red lip at the end. And now I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelid and just blend that out for the eyeshadow we're going to apply, which is Bellini from the same palette. It's like this really pretty peach / sherbet color with a little bit of shimmer. It's really, really pretty. And to highlight the brow bone, I'm using the color Crepe. Now I'm going to pop some lashes on and do my eyebrows, so I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Now I put some mascara on and broke out in a little song and dance with Dolly. Now I'm going to move on to blush. I'm using this one by Tarte in the color Feisty. It's got some warm undertones, so it really complements the eye look. Now I'm going to highlight. This one is Fairy Dust by Laura Geller. It's like a white iridescent highlight, and it's so pretty. Now here in a second, I get really tan. I don't know why it didn't show up like the first half of the video, but this is how I looked when I was doing my makeup. So like right here. That's what I saw when I was doing my makeup. So this looked normal. I don't know why I looked so pale before. But now I'm taking the skin mist and just spraying that all over my face to blend the products together. Now I'm going to move on to lips. This one is called Arrrrriba from ColourPop. And then to make it really glossy, I put on Laura Geller's Color Lust Gloss in City Lights. And then we are done. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you try it out for Valentine's Day, and if you do, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! feeling? Shania, I reckon.